We're going to show you how to use the new GameFinder Mobile app, which you can see right here. And to begin doing that, the first part that it's good to understand is that we stream the data from the SD card that you collect off of the GameFinder off of the PlotWatcher Pro. We stream that from this device, which is called a RAV-Power, and it is a combination of a hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot creator / file server. And so if you input the SD card into the RAV-Power, you power it up, it begins to create a Wi-Fi hotspot that you can then go and find using your iOS device. So you simply click on the settings button, go to the Wi-Fi, and then you will see I'm currently connected to our corporate Wi-Fi. But as this RAV-Power comes online, you will see another network that pops up called the File Hub dash, and then it has 4 digits. And you select it there, it just came online. So you select that, basically switching to that network. The first time you set it up, you will have to enter a password, which is 8 consecutive ones, but we're already connected to it. So now the data that was on the SD card is available via streaming data on the File Hub B184 network in our case. Then once you're connected to the network, you click on the GameFinder Mobile app, and this is the first screen that you'll see. It has your settings, and then it has an Open Media button. So the Open Media button will show you all the files that are located on this SD card. And then by selecting one of them, let's go down and just select this one. You can now view the video much like you do in the GameFinder app on your Mac or your PC. There are a little bit of differences here. The first one is this is the button that allows you to begin the playback, and it also, like the GameFinder for a computer, has 5 forward speeds. You also have a forward and backward frame by frame, so you can move one step at a time or one video image at the time. And the next item here is a restore to zoom, which once you pinch and pan the screen to look for something and you want to go back to the regular full screen look, you simply click on that button. So let's begin to watch this one. We click it one time and you begin to see the cursor move across, and you can see the deer coming out of the woods in the background there. And if you said, hey gosh, I want to see what that looks like, I want to go frame by frame, or maybe I want to go back and see exactly where those deer came out of the woods, I can use the button to do that. And then I could even say I want to zoom in. So like other iOS applications, you can use your fingers to zoom in and pan across the screen, and then when you get through looking at it, you simply click the restore zoom and it goes back to the screen. Now I can go back to playing it, and this is a short video clip, but if I want to see something, all I have to do is touch the screen somewhere and it automatically stops, and I can go back frame by frame until I see what I want. Now I can zoom in again, or I can move back by dragging the cursor forward or backwards. So then if I say, okay, I've seen everything I want to see on that video clip, I want to look at another one, then I simply click on another video and I can do the same thing. I can go frame by frame, or I can go very fast across a video, stop it, zoom in, restore to zoom, go back and look at my next video. Now there is one thing that you can do here that is sort of unique, and that is the ability to view JPEG images. So instead of video images, here we have a JPEG image, which is obviously not a video, it's just one single picture. But if you have those from another camera or some other device, you can view JPEG images from an SD card by streaming them onto your iOS device. You can do the same things with a JPEG. You can zoom, you can restore to zoom, and that sort of thing. To show you how you can create a JPEG image, let's go back to the video we were watching earlier. It has a good picture of this nice deer here close by, and we said, okay, I want to take a picture of this deer we can get back to where he was looking at it. And you take a JPEG image just like you do with other iOS devices. Okay, you simply press the home button and the button on the right side of your device at the same time, and that will capture an image and store it in your photos. So once you've saved your image with that, you can then view it by going to your Photos app, and it should be the last one in your Photos app. And so there you can now send it, email it, text it to friends and neighbors. So that is the quick summary of how to use the GameFinder mobile app. We hope you enjoy it.